So we're taking a break. We've been working on stair pieces, and we have more ready. So the stairs coming along really good. But I also found this piece of quartzite the other day. It was a sink cutout, and I'm not sure. I can't remember the. I don't think it's Blue Aroma, but maybe. And what I did was I wanted to know, could I just do a little hand sanding on it? And it turns out, yes, you can see from the white dust, you can sand it. So I sanded the edges. They're kind of soft now. They're not rounded like you would if you had a polisher or a full-fledged stone grinder, but not bad, just playing around here. And then I took a little of this, just kind of like steel wool, only a little different. And now I'm going to try a little, and there's a few dings in it right here, but probably when it was discarded. So we're just going to play around here and put a little tung oil on it. And I don't think it's going to sink in much at all. And maybe probably this isn't the best stuff to put on, but I'm just curious what it's going to do. Because notice the edges. That's where I really think it'll help, is the edges kind of make them look more finished. And it does look like it's doing that. So I'm going to put the foam down, oil the rest of this, and then we'll see what it looks like in a day or so. Really, I don't think it's going to sink in much here. Probably should use something else on the top, but for the edges, I think we need something with a little heavier duty like this. Okay, really cool quartzite. Not really changing the colors much though, is it? Let's see what it does to those little divots. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe they are disappearing. I don't see the one over here anymore. But anyways, cool. It's not our primary focus. It is wood, but a little stone mixed in is kind of cool. Okay.